Hi folks, this is Bone. So now Google enters Google Images search. That's good. You can input the image and you can search for that image and its informations. Okay, that's great feature. It's work quite great. Okay, let me check what it does. Okay, so the URL for this is google.com/imghp. Okay, I don't know what HP stands for. Maybe that's a term. Okay, so google.com. If you go to google.com, you can't find this Google image search. Okay, so you have to give Google image search. If you give this Google image search in the search, you can get the first link where you can search for images. Okay, so same URL, google.com/imghp. Okay, so what you have to do you have to do is you have to go to the Google, and then you have to click that camera icon. Okay, so next step is you have to upload an image. Okay, so I already uploaded some images for techthamil.com for the Photoshop tutorials. Okay, so let me check whether the Google can find those images. Okay, so I just input this image. It's the image which I made. I made it in Photoshop. Okay, it's not a pirated one. I just inputted the image. Wow, here it shows, it shows all the results which relates to that, and of course it fetched the techthamil.com website. That's great, man. So this is done. Okay, but it also fetched some other pages. Maybe that's due to block. Okay, wow, man, this technique is rocking. So what's the use and what's the disadvantage? So the use is you can find any image which you have in your system, but the major disadvantage is there's going to be no no piracy of images anymore. You can't steal another one's image and use it. If you did that, it can be caught. The best way is you have to only stop the Google bots from scrolling your web pages. That's the only thing we can do to avoid being caught by others. So there is no more image piracy. This is the conclusion. Okay, so just why are you waiting, or just staring at this? Just go on, give it a try. Okay, so let me give another one image. Let's see whether it finds it. Okay, same camera icon. I'm clicking it. So upload an image, choose file. Okay, here it goes. Which one I have to give? Okay, so let me give this one. Maybe it's hard for it to find. Hope so. Let's see. Wow, it does a great job, man. It's again find it. That's great. Okay, so of course, sure, I have to tell this a super cool feature, and give it a try. Thank you, folks.